Hello friends, I am Jainji. This is our channel Jain Social. Today we are going to discuss about India's 5G mobile network development. How did the transformation of mobile network take place from 1G to 5G over a period? What are the additional advantages that we are going to gain when we move on from 4G to 5G? When will the 5G network is going to be implemented in India? We are going to see one by one in this video. 5G network is the 5th generation mobile network, that is the next generation of 4G mobile network. So the speed of this network is higher than 4G mobile network. The telecom department in India asked the telecom companies and the telecom experts to give details about their network development and frequency spectrum scale and hope for next 10 years. The telecom companies also asked the telecom department regarding their spectrum roadmap. Now many developed countries and technical giants are developing 5G networks. Few of the developed countries also testing 5G networks for limited consumer in trial and error basis. India also one of the leader in the 5G network. So the telecom department of India have a plan of auctioning 5G frequency spectrum. So the companies which are developing 5G network in India can buy the frequency spectrum through auction from telecom department. What is frequency spectrum? Why these telecom companies are paying crores of rupees to the government to buy a band of frequency? As we all have a mobile phone, suppose we want to send any information which may be a message, audio, video, image, whatever may be in any format to our friend, then the communication used to take place through satellite, through the way of radio waves. So it will be converted to zeros and ones, that is binary data. Then when it transferred through the network, the particular frequency range will be allotted, that is a band of frequency will be allotted for each communication, that is maybe 2G or 4G. Through that allotted frequency band only the information reach to our friend. So the information follow a frequency range like the vehicles are following a road. Now let me see how did the transformation of network from 1G to 5G take place over a period. The first generation network which was started in 1980s, in the first generation mobile network analog signals were used. So the communication took place like a landline communication, that is voice communication, and there was no text services. In 1990s, 2G started where the digital communication with limited text services used. Then the 2000, the 3G network started where the broadband mobile connectivity emerged, so the access of internet also improved because of the improvement of speed. Many people have shifted from basic mobile to smartphone, so accessing internet services through smartphone also increased. The usage of app also improved. Then again, earlier if someone don't have any internet services in their home, they used to go to browsing center and pay the charges and access the services there. But after the emergence of 3G technology, the accessing internet services and online services through mobile phone also improved to the great extent. The 4G network which was started during the time of 2010 where the IP network online streaming emerged and the usage of mobile app also went to next level. Because of the online streaming, many people started using mobile phone to watch the TV programs through mobile phone, and also lively watching cricket also possible because of the online streaming. And again, many people started to conduct seminars or taking online classes through YouTube or any social media platform. In India, Bharti Airtel, Vodafone Idea and Jio are in the race of developing 5G networks, but the Bharti Airtel and Vodafone Idea are in a struggle of getting enough financial support for investment. But the Jio has a plan of launching indigenous 5G network before mid of 2021. Recently, the Supreme Court has delivered judgment regarding the unpaid tax due of telecom companies to the government and also informed the telecom companies to pay the taxes to the government. So the telecom companies are already in a struggle to pay crores of rupees to the government. And again, so they won't have enough support for investing in telecom industry, particularly for next generation network, except Jio. The developed countries such as the USA, European Union countries, Japan, South Korea, they are in the race of developing 5G networks. In USA, companies such as AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon, they are developing 5G networks, and also few of the companies are also testing in trial and error method to their limited customer the 5G network. National Digital Communication Policy 2018, which encourages developing 5G networks in India, and also converging technologies like artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, cloud computing and data analytics along with the 5G network. So it will be improve the speed of this communication technology as well as increase the business process in India and improve the government services. The speed of 5G network is by an average 10 times faster than 4G network. Suppose 10 millisecond delay in 4G network, which will be reduced to 1 millisecond in 5G network. So in case we need to do online jobs or any other services through internet, we can do it much faster. It will be reduce our tension for waiting. The uploading and downloading speed will be much better. Even downloading 4K movies will be finished within few minutes. At the same time, many remote part of India didn't get any basic mobile services. Even in some areas, they may get services, internet access, but the network connectivity or signal is very weak. To make any calls or to access any internet services, they need to go for higher places or even sometimes need to climb up the tree. So India, instead of focusing much on the metropolitan cities for developing 5G networks, India also meanwhile need to focus on the remote corner of India, because in equitable development is the need of the hour for the better economical distribution in the country. At the same time, the situation demands that India also need to be in the race of 5G mobile network development, because India need to boost our economy and compete with our rivals in the international arena. For instance, China is moving for Space Force and artificial intelligence. They are playing upper hand in these areas against India. So any war, if it happened between China or Pakistan and India, so the situation will demand India need to access communication much faster. The USA has terminated Chinese company Huawei against developing 5G network in USA and also selling any 5G product to the USA customer, because the USA is worried of the Huawei company may share the Americans information to the China. So similar footprint also followed by the European Union countries against Huawei, particularly the UK. Because of the pressure from the US, India also didn't proceed with the plan of Huawei to develop 5G network in India. Okay friends, what do you think about this video? Do you think that India must give priority to the development of rural basic network connectivity, then move on to develop 5G network? Give your opinion in the comment section. We shall meet again in our next discussion. Until then, take care. Love you all. Bye bye.